Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an acorn top as a whistle. First, you'll need a good acorn cap, free from any damage. Next, find a fresh, broad blade of grass, ideally around 3 to 4 inches in length. Hold the acorn cap in your non-dominant hand with its open side facing up, ready for the next step. Now carefully place the blade of grass across the acorn cap's opening. It's important to keep the grass taut and centered, covering most of the hole. Crucially, leave a small gap, about 1/8 of an inch at one edge of the cap. This tiny opening is essential for creating the whistle sound. With the grass in place, cup your hands tightly around the acorn cap, forming a sealed chamber. Your palms and fingers should completely seal all edges of the cap, preventing any air from escaping. Now, direct a steady, focused stream of air directly into that small gap you left between the grass and the cap's edge. To make the whistle sound, begin by blowing gently and consistently, gradually increasing the pressure. Experiment with adjusting the tension of the grass or the size of the small gap to change the pitch. With a bit of practice and varying your breath, you'll soon be able to produce a clear, loud whistle from your acorn top.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.